Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is August the 28th and I'm using my new Super Scalper trading system. This is the Super Scalper, changes blue to yellow depending on it. If blue is buying, yellow is selling. You'll also get a pop-up alert here where it says scalping. You can either buy or sell. And of course the arrows here is part of the super signal indicator. Would not trade any system without it, as it really helps me to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer here looking at all the different instruments, and I'm also taking a look at my daily trade plan. And of course making a decision whether I want to be buying or selling. And on this day some of them I sold according to the rules that I teach in a video called How to Trade Pullbacks. Now here's my daily trade plan, Expert Advisor. Great EA, works the best when the market is trending. Obviously it's based on price action, and then it'll register whether you should be buying and or selling. Now obviously if the market is just going up and down, then it's not the greatest tool out there for picking those range bounds. But the super signal, that's where it comes in. And it is great for when the market is range bound. If you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one very good reason why you are not succeeding. Of course, if you have any questions about the daily trade plan, well, just Skype me. I'm available for a Skype call. Okay, now we can get into some of these trades. First one I did at the top here, it's the Euro-Yen. As I mentioned, I traded the pullback. So let's see where I did get in. Took all the trades, some at different times, but I closed them all out about the same time, around 8:35, as you can clearly see here. And for whatever it is, an hour and a half, easy trading. And producing another great day of trading. So let's see where I got in at. Right where this cursor is, it's red, meaning I sold it. And I did, as I mentioned, the pullback. Personally, myself, I know when it's going to go either down and or up. But after you put in enough chart time and enough demo trading, you will be able to read the charts the same like I do. So as I said, I took the trade at this cursor and I closed out the trade over here. Just being generally over half, as long as I have more than 200 pips or ticks, and looking at the total, well, I know that I'm going to be well over even 300 pips and ticks for today. And on this trade, looks like I locked in 7 pips, and that paid out $54. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the EURCAD. Now I wanted to be trading the pullback, going back to the goal line. It's exactly what I did. Let's see where I got in at. Right after this candle basically was almost ready to close, I got in. I even knew that there was going to be an upcoming red arrow from the super signal. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out just being happy, locking in about, looks like 15 pips, and that paid out $117. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Russell. Now on this Russell, pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, well, easy to see that this should be 24 ticks. I pulled the trigger basically on the setup candle, and of course that's your trigger candle, and I could have stayed in for a lot more. But like I said, I don't care what I left on the table as long as I keep winning every day that I am trading. Got in here, so from here to here should be 24. Let's see what it is up there. It's almost 200. It is 200. Look at that, eh? But anyhow, as I said, I was happy with the 24. As soon as I'm going to try to show that. Oh, well, looks like I can't show that unless I drop it down to the 5 minutes, but it is 24 ticks, and that paid out $240. Moving right along to the next trade, the Euro New Zealand. And on this trade, traded the pullback. Remember, you have to learn all these different things. And I teach many, many different ways to trade the markets. Setup candle right here, trigger candle, that's exactly where I got in, got the alert, got in, super signal, everything is good. And I closed it out here just being happy with about, looks like 41 pips, and that paid out $242. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Euro Aussie. Another one I wanted to be selling. See where that arrow is. There it is right there. There's the arrow, setup candle, trigger candle, super signal indicator. So everything was good to go. Took the trade here and I closed it out here just being happy with about 45 pips. That looks like it paid out $289. Remember, all systems will work. Some obviously work better than other ones, but the most important thing that you have to learn is how to trade the, I call it the flow of the market, the up and down cycles. And once you learn that, and obviously my super signal is great for catching those up and down cycles. And so any system I'm trading in the future will always have the super signal indicator. So moving on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays, by the way, the last two here, I bought them. This one pays $20 for each tick. And away it went. Could have made about 3 times more. But I was happy. I took the money and divided it by 20, and it's 22 point something. 22.6 actually. So from there to there is 22. Oh, there's, can't get much closer than that. 22.68. Let's just, 22 is close enough. And that ended up paying out $452. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, which is the DAX 30. Now, I had to drop it down to the 5 minutes so I can get a little bit better reading. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Everything screaming to buy. And I took the trade at this cursor right here. And I closed it out here. Now, I could have made probably about 40% more if I stayed in the trade. But I took the money, divided by $3.75, and it says, calculator says it should be 595. So 595 ticks. 590. Oh, got it right on there. 595. There it is right there. And all of those ticks paid out $2,231. So another great day of trading. I knew it was going to be well over 300. Grand total came to 749 pips and ticks. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $3,627. So if your system's not producing like my Super Scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions or if you want to buy, well, all you got to do is look right below the video. So, as I mentioned, the video, and if you look right below the video, on this banner right here, You can click anywhere, even way over here. It'll open up another window, and then as you're scrolling down, you're going to see my link for Skype right here. All you got to do is click on it, even if you think you don't have Skype. Well, I'm here to tell you, you do have Skype. Even if it's a cell phone, a tablet, iPad, whatever, a computer, laptop, we'll have a connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I will be able to show you the charts and answer all your questions. I do that totally free, no charge. Now I wanted to tell you that there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education, and you're going to need a daily trade plan. Keep in mind that when you buy from me, I will give you ongoing support. It's very crucial that you have support, as trading is much more difficult than what you can imagine. And without support from, if nobody's going to support you, well, 95% chance you're going to fail. Doesn't make any difference which system you have out there. You got to be able to pick, either pick up the phone or go on Skype or something and ask questions. Also, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now there's 4 different packages. I do charge $250 each. Have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 for free. That works out to about 33% discount. I do have another special offer. I decided to, if you buy either package 1 or 2 or 3, they're $250, and for $50 more, grand total, doesn't make any difference which package, $50 more, for $300, I'll give you the Easy Trader System with the Super Signal Indicator. That works out to about a 40% discount. It's even a better deal. Now as you scroll down, I show you each package. Look at all the different things I teach. More ways that you learn how to trade, the better you become as a trader. Package 1 and 2, that's where the training videos are. Many of them. And each one is up to approximately 30 minutes long each. How I trade live, same situation. All the different things I teach you here. As you scroll down, now the Expert Advisor, the Daily Trade Plan, has 4 training videos, and the Super Signal, this package, has 4 training videos. I talk about either the indicator or the EA, and I will show examples in each of the 3 trading sessions. Now, if you have any questions or if you want to buy, simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I live in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. Here's my email address. You can obviously send me an email. And I wanted to mention, due to the fact that it takes me many hours to put these packages together, I don't want to work for free. So once you buy it, you have it, you own it. Obviously there's no way I can take it back. So please note that there are no refunds. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay? Bye for now.